seconds to go, and he's not in his corner.
Well, if Chongren Koren loses tonight, he'll be the first Indian to lose his MFN title.
Man, it's just something. He's
Quiet, don't talk to me.
oh, big slip from Dant, and Chongren Koren capitalizes on this position. Oh man, Dant slipped over the top. Here we go.
Plays
Dant
it.
now reverses it. But Chongren Koren back on with that pressure. Don't ever count him out of a fight. This is a tough, grueling fight. We knew this was going to be a war. But Ravindra Dant certainly getting the better of Chongren Koren so far. His corner is screaming something called UP style. I don't know what that means yet.
Or
I need to ask him.
maybe it's the Yuki style because Yuki's in his corner.
Oh, they're referring.
We've got his teammate Yuki in his corner.
Yeah, it's Yuki style. I thought UP style, like Uttar Pradesh style. That makes much more sense. But again, Ravindra Dant again in a good position. Oh, big elbows. This is a bad spot. Very bad spot for Chongren Koren.
Kind of a crucifix.
And Chongren Koren trying to change position. Man, the heart of the champion is something to admire because he's trying so hard. He's trying so hard to get control of the situation. Chongren Koren taking a breather here. He's a little sneaky, Ravindra Dant. He tried to get a switch here. Here we go. Chongren Koren though, looking to get a better position. Oh, big shots.
Big shots.
Ravindra Dant. Ravindra moving his head very well though. Gets back to his feet.
Chongren yet to do any damage to Ravindra.
Very nice by Chongren Koren. Reverses that position and now starts a barrage of his own strikes.
Starts pounding.
That's the Donkey Kong punches. Ravindra Dant though. Reverses position.
Oh, man.
Oh.
Doesn't go in his favor.
Bad position for Chongren Koren. And will it be a matter of time? It's less than a minute.
Oh man.
He's flattened him out. He's in a bad way. He might look for America
like,
now on that arm.
It's like Chongren Koren getting a taste of his own medicine.
I mean, again,
exactly the same manner that he fights in.
He gave up. He lost position there, and now Chongren back on top.
He's got his
so
arms
back
stuck.
and forth. Oh, he's looking for a dash choke there. He's got his arm underneath. He's locked it on the bicep. Has he locked it on the bicep yet? There you go.
Oh.
He's got that. And he's got a front choke. He might have it. He's got a dash choke.
Oh,
10 seconds.
This could be it.
10 seconds.
This could be
Can
it.
he survive for 10 seconds?
Oh man.
Just 10 seconds. He's got a little bit of. I think he's okay.
Oh,
No,
saved
he's
by the
okay.
bell.
Saved by the bell.
Saved by the bell.
Man. Oh,
back
man.
and forth. Back and forth.
But the Chongren Koren poured in his everything into that because he's taking a very, very long time to get up and go back to his corner. I don't think Chongren Koren needs to be able to look at Mark Goddard so smartly saying he needs to be able to walk back to his corner.
Let's look at the action replay.
Just missed with that counter right, and that's what caused the slip back and forth.
That
in the
could
corner.
have been over.
Man, it was a tight toss attempt, but that was then he lost position. He was too high on the back, gave up position, but Ravindra Dant doesn't seem to be too affected by this. Those elbows again, I think, Chongren it's the amount of punishment
damaged
he's
at the
taking.
moment. Chongren definitely is
precisely,
damaged.
that's the right way of saying it.
And
He's
that's the choke that he locked in.
He
and
chopped
he
in
gave
the
it
toss. He turned the right way. He needed to come in a little closer, but Dant defended it so perfectly, creating just the right amount of space, knowing that there was 10 seconds to survive in the round. I mean, look at this. Ground control for Ravindra Dant, 1 minute, 23 total strikes in just round number 2. We need to check round number 1. So round 1 is definitely above 100.
Don't do this to me. Don't do it.
a bit of scolding here by
man,
Mark
yeah.
Goddard.
But that's the Mark Goddard style. He's scolding everybody.
Let's go! Round number 3, ladies and gentlemen. This is the main event, and it's
Now-
going to decide who walks home.
It just matters now who has more in the gas tank, because Jungran normally, who is so strong and who's got such a good gas tank, he's taken so many shots. The way he's moving is weird. I mean,
He's a little bit slow for sure. I mean,
mean-
a little bit is an understatement. He's slow for sure.
I mean, you can see he's gassed. You can see the reversal that happened there. It was seemed academic here. And the way he escaped, Ravindra Dutt just backed up and pulled out. I'm surprised Ravindra Dutt let him up. Oh, stuck him. Oh, he hurt him with that one. But man, what a chin on Jungran Koren. He's still in it. But there's only so many shots that the human skull can take. Another
another
big
one.
one. Another big hand. Ravindra Dutt opening up. Just missed a big shot. Oh, he's hurt.
He's hurt.
He's hurt. He's out.
This could be
He
it.
is
Oh!
out. No! We have a new champion. Ravindra Dutt has
This-
pulled off the upset.
could
And the
be-
Soma team is going
this
batshit
could be
crazy
the
in front of
biggest
me.
upset in the history of
We
Indian
talked about
MMA.
it. I talked about it. I said that this will be the first real test for Jungran Koren, and he saw it. He was beaten. His camp, deject. Of course, a great attempt. He's a great champion. He gave it his all. My heart goes out to Jungran Koren, but oh my goodness. Round number 3, the barrage of strikes that started it all. Let's take a look at the replays, because Ravindra Dutt did it. He did it. He said it, and Rahul, like you said, he manifested it, and he made it happen.
So Ravindra manifested it for the fans who are watching us. Ravindra's team made a video. It's a rap song with an animation. Shows the entire life story of Ravindra Dutt, from him breaking stones for a living to taking up MMA and then finally knocking out Jungran Koren.
I mean-
Man, this is manifestation, nothing else.
I mean, you know,
you
I
work
never-
hard, you work hard, work in the right direction, have your right
Absolutely.
team, have the right team in place, and you can deliver the biggest surprise.
No, I'm talking about the fact that we knew somewhere that this was going to be his first real test. He talked, and his corner was right. He took on an aging Agasa, who was way past
Took
his
on the
prime.
aging Chaitanya Gavli.
He took on-
Again, Kantaraj was not in his prime.
No, Kantaraj prime was in 2016. I mean, today, Kantaraj,
with Farhad.
it's Mohammad Farhad as well. This was the first fighter who was on his level, and he proved that it wasn't
And as
on
I
his
said,
level.
it's another Jungran Koren fighting Jungran Koren.
I mean, he
You know, it's like the
Jungran.
Superman versus Superman.
Stellar performance. It was a stellar performance. I mean, we got referee Jim Perdius next to me. What a fight, right? I mean, I can't even begin to stress. We have a new champion. Sonam Zamba did the business tonight, and now Jungran Koren, you can see. I mean,
Man.
the doctors are checking on him. His corner is checking on him to check if he's okay. He will live to fight another day. This is part of the sport, winning and losing. But man, this was Ravindra Dutt's moment, and he did it. Incredible.
Well, the bantamweight belt initially went to Pakistan. Ulumi earned it at MFN 10 after defeating Dhruv Chaudhary, and then later